guys. Got some chips. This is so spicy. This is my next one. Very nice.
Yung iba, nahihirapan daw sa pants. Nahihirapan daw sa pants pagka tumaid yung anak. Sabi ko, ba't kayo nahihirapan? Kasi daw pagtatanggalin daw nila. Sabi ko, paano nyo ba tinatanggal? Tinatanggal na parang short. Pulitin nyo sa gilid.
Wow.
Sabi ko, pulitin nyo sa gilid. Hindi yung tinatanggal na parang short. Pag tumaid, talagang kakalat yung tae.
So, this is mine. Work. Ano? Bigat pa ako.
18 ba yan? Ano ko ba? Ay, ouchie ka dyan. Ano ka ba?
Na? That's the cabinet. That's the cabinet. See, that's the cabinet. That's 2 stories. Like 3 stories. That's the stairs. That's the first floor. That's the 3rd floor. See? There's the 3rd floor.
Sana mabilis lang ba?
Dagat. We still need that. That's the 3rd floor. Attic. Don't know how much. This is the 2nd floor. Really 2nd floor. It's really 2nd floor. That's not the 1st floor. Like my other house.
Siguro, abutin din siguro.
Not sure. We move out there. I always move out.
Pero kung di mo siguro pinapunta.
Oh, that's all.
Pero ano pala, kahit hindi yan sunugin, kahit hindi yan nasunog.
Magal.
Kaya keep din tayo.
Two.
Iway kami din, ayusin ko din pala talaga.